So made this model signal box, and I was trying to recreate this signal box seen on this Thomas episode. I don't know if you can see it there. Or let me see the perfect angle right about there. And I noticed at the end of my design that I have no nameplate. What's the name I'm supposed to give? See how the brick pigmentation on this design. Yeah, that's the final design. I mean, um, filament for this model. So let me know in the comments what's the nameplate seen right there. I don't see it. I did not make any research, but I'm pretty sure you guys are very smart and you know the name. All this was done on Tinkercad, uh, piece by piece, obviously. Tinkercad, it's a good place to design your models. Obviously, it's not an endorsement, not a publicity, not paid by Tinkercad, but anyways, I just wanted to say. So, what's the name of this signal box? Display it right there. Let me know in the comments. I will really appreciate, so I can put it on this signal box. That was a prototype, not did not include the nameplate area like this one here. So I'll give you an update on the next projects as soon as I am ready to print. This is the frame for this little shed. This little shed is meant, it's meant for a single engine with not attached tender. Single engine, like see this Percy right there, so you have an idea how it looks. Let me see how it looks right there. Okay, so my question is, if you happen to know what's the nameplate display on this signal box, let me know in the comments.